Hi everyone, this is Tapish Khan, your real estate broker. Today I'm in Oakville on a creek side. This area is developing well. South side of this location is Dundas and 6th Line. On the north side is Burnenthrop and 6th Line. Location is amazing, close to all amenities, GO station, public transport, schools, parks, Oakville Hospital. You name the thing you get on walking distance or short drive. Mississauga, Burlington, Milton, very easy access. Today I'm giving you a tour of this beautiful single garage detached house. 4 bedrooms, and then you have attic with bedroom and finished basement. Let's go inside. So you see this driveway is a long, maybe you can park 2 cars here outside. Here is porch. It's a covered porch. It's good. So here is a foyer. It's a nice tiles here. There's a space for decoration. Here you see the ceiling height is 9 foot, and here you see beautiful powder room. You see this coat closet. It's a very good size with shelves. This area goes to basement. This goes to upstairs. Here is the first thing, which is kitchen. Very nice island. They have a extended island for breakfast, bar we call it. And then you see the backsplash here is upgraded. Space for oven. Here's a space for fridge. They have a water connection for filter. Very nice upgraded cabinets. And you see the deep sink, double sink. And here is great room. You see the size of great room. You see the window, gas fireplace, patio door, sliding door, great room. Here's the window here, very bright, and you could see the pot lights here. The size of great room is very good, lots of space here. And then on the left side you see inside entry from garage, and here is another coat closet, big size. Let's go upstairs now. Wooden stair, and you see window here, very nice. Makes this area very bright. Again, hardwood floor everywhere. As soon as you come upstairs, you see on the right side this beautiful bedroom with huge window. Beautiful, very bright, and look at the ceiling height. I think they have a 9-foot ceiling on the main floor as well. Not walk-in closet, but very good size. Let's go to room number 2, which is on the right side. Again, big window. The room size is beautiful, and I believe rooms are for queen bed. Here is closet, double door, not a walk-in closet, but very good size. Let's move to main washroom. It's a good size washroom. There's a tub. You can make standing shower if you put the glass here. Commode area, and here is sink, upgraded countertop, mirror, very nice. And then we move to room number 3. Another nice room with window, very reasonable size, queen bed easily. Double door, good size closet. Have you noticed they don't have walk-in closets in rooms? They're using the space for room, not for the walk-in closet, and giving double door closet, which is I think good enough. Let's go to the next. Here is linen closet, very deep, very good size, beautiful. And then here is a laundry room, space for washer and dryer. You can make shelves here. And then we come to master bedroom. Very reasonable size master bedroom, considering as a small detached house, but they use very smartly. They didn't make a very big master bedroom and compromise on other rooms. All rooms are very good size. And then you see the walk-in closet here. This is the first walk-in closet I'm seeing in this house. Very nice, it's good size. And then we move to ensuite. Very nice. Look at this. Double sink, separate mirror, space in between if you want to keep your equipment or it. Here is standing shower, very well finished. Here is tub, and you see windows here. Very bright, very nice washroom. Now let's go to my most favorite place, attic. Let's go. I'll show you this beautiful area. Look at the big window here. Look at the ceiling height. You have a feeling of coming to something special. Very nice. And here you go. Look at the size of this room. Beautiful size. Although this room is carpeted. Beautiful. Look at this. It's a walkout balcony and it's covered. You can sit in summer, even it's raining, it's snowing, you can stand here. Very nice. Then you see here walk-in closet, second walk-in closet, competition with master bedroom. Beautiful. And here is full washroom, the tub area. As I always say, you can put the glass and make it standing shower if you want to. They keeping the same color everywhere in the house, kitchen, washrooms. This quartz is everywhere, same color. I really like it. So this area, I would say, is a separate unit. Very nice. Walkout balcony, full washroom, walk-in closet, beautiful. Let's go downstairs. Now I want to show you the finished basement. Let's go to the basement. Here you see the beautiful window here. Fantastic. So as soon you come down, you see this beautiful room. You see the furnace and space for laundry because the sink is here. You see here the hot water heater. So this is a mechanical room and an electric room. They put everything here, which is very good, but you have lots of storage as well. Let's go and see this finished area. You see the ceiling height is quite high. Here is the full washroom. You see the tub. Here is the sink. They're keeping the upgrade the same color, and they have shelves here. Very nice. And then you see this big window here. This is the living room. Ceiling height, it's 9 or 8.5, but it's big. So now you see here it's another room. They have duct here. Definitely you can finish this room for multiple purpose. Very nice. Or you can make storage. Here is proper bedroom with big window. They have a bench here with drawers. And they have a closet here. Fantastic. I like this room. It's a very good size room. Easily queen bed can adjust here. So this basement is very well finished. One bedroom basement, very nice. Hope you like the tour of this beautiful detached house, single garage in Oakville, in a very fine area, as I said, close to hospital, GO station, highways, all amenities close by, on walking distance or on a very short drive, easy access to just border of Mississauga and Milton. Very good opportunity if you want to invest or you want to live in Oakville, always in high demand. I have so many other houses like this in Oakville, Burlington, Milton, Mississauga, in Greater Toronto area and beyond. If you want to list your property, I can help you. I have very professional mortgage partners who can help you with your mortgage approval, or if you want to refinance your existing property for investment, they can help you. If you like this home tour, like, subscribe, comment, and share your thoughts, the layout or upgrades you like or you like to see differently. That will help me. Give me a call to discuss your options at 416-475-7777. Talk to you soon.